As legends has it, Rome was built in 753 BC by Romulus and Remus, the twin sons of Mars, the god of war. Don't worry, I'm not here today to talk about the history of Rome, but about a fun summer trip I had there last year and got the opportunity to experience the true culture and heritage of the city. For those who don't know me, my name is Himangshu and my channel Ramble and Curry is all about travel and cooking videos, because these are the two things that excite me the most. If you share similar passion, then consider subscribing to the channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. Like and share the video and leave your feedback in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get started. Roma Terminal railway station is the biggest railway station in Italy, with 33 platforms and over 180 million passengers each year. Roma Terminal is the second largest railway station in Europe. The hotel in Rome had a unique and old elevator system, which I had never experienced before. Touring the city while sitting in a cab itself had elevated the feeling of being in one of the oldest cities in the world by looking at the beautiful buildings and the architecture. The first stop was in the state of Vatican City, which is in the center of Rome. It is the smallest state in Europe, and it is an independent city-state located in the heart of Rome, ruled by the Pope, Bishop of Rome. It is a center of authority over the Roman Catholic Church. The Vatican City was declared independent from the rest of Italy on 11 February 1929, with the signing of the Lateral Treaty. The Vatican Apostolic Library and the collection of the Vatican Museum are of the highest historical, scientific and cultural importance. In 1984, the Vatican was added by UNESCO to the list of World Heritage Sites. It is the only one to consist of an entire state. After endless walking around Vatican City, we had settled down for a quick Italian beer and sandwich to restore the energy for continuing the trip. The next stop was Trevi Fountain. We had to walk a bit after getting down from the taxi. It was crowded, and getting a good spot to capture the entire monument was just impossible. Fontana di Trevi in Rome that is considered a late Baroque masterpiece and is arguably the best known of the city's numerous fountains. The fountain is located in Rome's Trevi district. The Trevi Fountain took about 30 years to complete. The immense fountain stands some 80 feet high and is approximately 160 feet wide. There is an old saying that if you throw a coin in the fountain, then you will return to Rome again in future. The walking continues to explore the city and see the beautiful monuments installed across the entire city. If you are with me so far, then please subscribe to the channel, as many more travel videos are coming up in future. Pressing the bell icon will instantly notify you whenever a new video is uploaded. You can also follow me on Instagram. It was time for a little treat after walking for more than an hour, and we stopped by a beautiful gelato parlor. We headed to Imperial Fora. The Imperial Fora are a series of monumental fora constructed in Rome over a period of 1.5 centuries, between 46 BC and 113 AD. The fora were the center of Roman Republic and of the Roman Empire. Next to the Imperial Fora is the Colosseum. As you walk towards the marvelous monument, you feel the chill in your body as you witness this immense structure still holding tall with pride. The best view of the Colosseum is arguably by sitting next to an aged bar which serves ice-cold Italian local beer. The Colosseum is the main symbol of Rome. It is an imposing construction that with almost 2000 years of history will bring you back in time to discover the way of life in a Roman Empire. At present, the Colosseum is, along with the Vatican City, Rome's greatest tourist attraction. Each year, over 6 million tourists visit it. On 7 July 2007, the Colosseum became one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. The Victor Emmanuel National Monument is a large national monument built between 1885 and 1935 to honor Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of a unified Italy in Rome. The monument has been consecrated to a white symbolic value, representing a lay temple metamorphically dedicated to a free and unified Italy. Capitol Square is in the highest of the 7 hill points of Rome, the Capitoline Hill. Located between the Roman Forum and the Campus Martius, the Capitoline Hill is part of the origin of Roman city. It ruins buried under several layers of medieval and Renaissance architecture. It was the seat of the Senate, government base of ancient Rome, and site of numerous religious shrines.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?
As the sunset was approaching and a golden light was consuming the city, it makes you feel as if you are dreaming this moment and just don't want to let go of the time. Visiting Rome is like reliving history, and one visit to this place is never enough.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Italian food just became my biggest weakness and my obsession. And with this beautiful, gorgeous night view of the Colosseum, it's time to say
How
goodbye.
come the trees gets undressed when it's cold?